I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Here is a disclaimer. Never do anything I do, ever, for any reason. Never remove blade guards or any other safety devices. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection. Not that I think someone will follow my so-called expert advice. I'm just trying to keep the trolls at bay. So go rant in the comments now. No need to watch anymore.
Hello there, I've already got a video on YouTube about me making a birdhouse, but the audio was lost. So I'm going to make this birdhouse again, changing up a few things, making the roof a little bit smaller, and this time I'm going to batch them out and doing 5 out of some scrap wood I got from my old trebuchet. So let's get started. I back the hair, put on the safety glasses. Alright, we've got this all set at 5 inches. So let's start cutting this wood down to size. We'll rip it down to 5 inches. Okay, so the second cut on these will be 5 of them at 5 inches. Okay, our second cut will be 4.5 inches. I've already reset the blade. Okay, our next rip will be 4 inches. I've already got the blade reset. Okay, for the next cut I need to square up the ends. So I'm using my miter gauge. Okay, now we'll make our second cross cut at 4 inches. We need 10 of these. Okay, we need to make one more rip at 4 inches. And our final rip we'll make at 3.5. Okay, and our final cross cuts will all be at 3 inches. Okay, now we've got all of our parts cut. Now we'll just do a little light sanding on the edges to clean them up. Okay, now we need to drill a 1-inch hole in each one of these pieces so the birds can get in. We'll do that with a 1-inch spade bit. We'll drill just short on one side and finish it on the second side. Okay, I'm not going to use any glue this time. I'm just going to use brad nails. So let's get started. First we'll start on the roof. Just 2 or 3 brad nails to hold that together. There we go. Now we'll start on the body. Put on the rear. And then we'll attach the roof to the body just like this and center it front to rear. And voila, a birdhouse. I was going to repeat that 4 more times. Okay, there we go. 5 rustic birdhouses in roughly a half an hour. Pretty simple stuff. Thanks for watching.